Yo, yo, yo. Hello, hello, everyone. How you guys doing? Let's start. Let's start the stream, innit? Alright, let's see. Maybe play me out some music so we can all hear something. Some nice background. Give me some links. Give me some links. Give me some links. Come on. Alright, let's see. Alright, so for New York session, we don't have much right now because the volume is quite low. I'm expecting price to range a bit until we break above 1907 or below 1901. So for price to do something like this, and then we take sells around these areas with a trade something with 10 to 12 pip SO and going to 97. Since the daily previous, we closed bearish, but we still have FUD overall due to the Chinese market. As you can see, the DXY is pushing up on the daily. Yeah, daily, but it's overall rejecting this area. So we need price to break above and push above. VIX is bullish, but above 16, as we have been in previously for the past few months, below 16 and not going further around these areas. All right, yeah, I put green. You're a mod, so manage these guys. And the US30 Dow Jones, as you can see, it's pushing down. So if you have any questions, just ask me because I don't know what I'm doing now still. You can see the US30 is pushing down as people are moving their money from risk-based assets to safer havens, similar to gold, which is a safer haven. And yesterday we had a massive push up after we had the news. We came down and then we straight away rejected off of 1897, as you can see, and we pushed to 1910s. I'm expecting something similar to happen today once we close above 1904. Buys above this closure would be really, really good. We can have 1904 or safer buys above this zone. I'm gonna mark this level so we can have, so you can see it. So currently the 4 hour just opened up. The 4 hour opened. I mean, I'm using Forex.com, but the 4 hour opened, came down, rejected this low 1901, which is a really key level. We're right now above 1902. Wait for the 30-minute to open. At 9:30, we can get a clear-cut direction on where we're gonna go next. I'm expecting price to push further up. We have been rejecting this zone multiple times, as you can see here, 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 and further in the back. Previously also around this areas, you can see so many rejections. So and also price moves in waves. So we have been going down for a long time. I'm trying to make this breakdown before the 30 open. So as you can see, prices just came down, came up, rejected, came up, rejected, came up, like ranged, rejected, came down, made a lower low, came up, rejected, retested, rejected. We're moving the same way, and I expect price to do a rejection around these areas and go to further up to 1912s and above. So wait for 9:30 open to get a clear direction of where we're gonna go next. Yeah, this is looking good for the 30-minute to open, and once the 30 opens, we can get a nice push up from 1904 or safer buys from 1907 to 1910s and 1912s. And if we close anything above 1912 and a half, 12, we can go and keep our trades till 1920s. Just wait out. Let's see what's GJ doing. GJ is bullish. Let me just mark this up. Yeah, all right. So GJ is quite bullish due to the fact that CPI came out. Forex Factory. CPI came out positive, higher than expected. That means the GBP, JPY, the pound is going to keep their rates higher for a longer period of time. Yes, it's lower than the previous, but it's higher than expected. And overall, the pound has been in a bullish structure for the past few months. As you can see, it's been moving up continuously. We're at right almost at areas where we were in back in 2018. And the other thing is the JXY is breaking below 69, and we have been rejecting these lows. We came down to 69, retested to 71 and a half, 71s, and we're now breaking below 69. The next zone we have is around 67. I expect price to go further down. So for GJ, watch for buys and nothing else. Uh, Watch for buys for nothing else. Wait for clear cut confirmations above 185, 800 around here. What the? Or a retest of these lows, so something like this. I would personally want something like this, or if we get a nice trade around here and then we push further, that would be great too. But for now, this is what I'm looking for, or safer buys above this closure. So a retest or a safer buy above these areas. Now, and for gold, we just fully engulfed this previous candle. Watch for buys. Don't think of sells until we break 1900s around this areas. Until we break 1900, don't look for any sells. So yeah, that's about it. If anyone has any questions, please let me know. Only 26 people watching. What's this? The whole New York session? This is 26. Bomba club. Send them and them. Send everyone to join. Tell everyone to join. Thanks, Green. I hope you guys understood because I'm trying to do the analysis before the 30 opens because I expect price to do something nicely once 30-minute closes. Yeah, this would be something like this, or we get a nicer, safer buys around here. Guys, send it to the streams. Send it to the group so we can have like all of us, most people, more people to come. I think they're still waiting for Dawn to pull up. Man's having a nice nap. I'm not muted. What do you mean you're muted? I'm not muted. Yo, thanks. All good, man. All good, Reza. Send it to the guys. Oh, we just closed above. Wait for this 30-minute to close. Hopefully we get a nice entry above this areas. Once we close above 1904, we can get a nice rejection. As you can see, every time price closed around this area, we went to 1906 and further. See, last time price rejected, yes, we lingered around, but since we are closing it, closing in a minute, and 9:30 is opening up, we could have volume to do something like this. So watch out for trades and closures above. Even if this doesn't close above, it's still fine. We need some sort of strong candle closure. This 5 minutes is rejecting, but if a 5 minute closes above, you could get a nice entry still. Yeah, push down, nice. It's alright, it's alright. Still good. This candle fully canceled. Two candles, bearish candles out. Yes, the bearish stronger, but the bullish seems also strong. Cancelled out. We closed below this, which is not ideal, but we still can have nicer entries. So what I see happen during NY session a lot is price just moves in one sort of direction once it has a strong area where it closes at. So right now we haven't closed anywhere, so we might linger around even though it's 9:30. The volume might come in once we have some sort of closure below this zone or this zone. So wait for that. Don't just randomly enter buys or sells. This is good. This is good. This is still good. Guys, sub, like, and add more people to come because a lot of people are still waiting and don't stream, I guess. DJ is looking really good. We created a double bottom around this area on the 15, and the 1 minute is, I mean, you guys don't trade the 1 minute, but I do. But the 5 minutes looking really good. We did a retest multiple times. Yes, we rejected above this area, but once we get a closure above 800, we will have a really, really nice break to go to 186 and 1862. So I previously mentioned this yesterday uh, on the London session stream. Green, you want sells, wait for 1900s. Honestly, if you take sells anything below around this area, you're just mocking it because there's no clear cut directions. Look how many rejections we have had around this area. Look on the five, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like there's way too many rejections. It just doesn't make sense for sells right now. Yes, we could have a sells. Once we break this zone, we can go easily to 80, 97 and further to 83 or 90. But for now, nothing. For now, nothing. Personally, I'm just waiting for buys above this area. Once we close, we will have some sort of trade like this. SL around 15, 16 pips. Minimum here, this would be a break even area for sure, because once we hit this zone, if we don't reject it, we're going pushing further. So it doesn't make sense to have the position still running. And this would be your TP personally. So wait for the trade to happen. Just right now, nothing. The bullish candles are getting weaker, but hopefully price rejects somewhere around here. Once price rejects this zone, nice. Looking good. Once this rejects, this means that the 30-minute has a decent bottom wick. But wait, let's see what happens. I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting. Nothing for me. The bearish candles are too strong. I can't take any buys around this area. Take out above 1904 with a nice wick, and I'm looking for sells. Oh, good luck. I'm looking for buys. The China FUD has been lingering around for the past few days. So you can see, where's news? High-tech industries abroad cliff fall. China suspend youth unemployment claims after record high. Grip Southeast Asia tightens as US influences warns. These are all data that like giving you an idea of people having like some sort of fear. Prices going on GJ above this, so watch out. And here, as you can see, the VIX is down, but overall still in the still above 16. We rejected this lows, but we're still pushing up. We could push to 17, 3, 17.4. So VIX. This is a volatility index, gives you an idea of how much fear is in the markets. And one more thing is you can look at the DXY. It's uh, it's it's very exhausted around this area. Multiple rejections. This is very strong candle. The 4 hour opened up and pushed down straight away. I mean, this is a different type of 4 hour, but yeah, it's pushing down. This candle closed no top wick. Price is coming out, indicating gold going pushing up because XAUUSD. So watch out. Don't go for sells yeah as of yet. Wait for clear cut confirmations. Below this area, this candle closed no bottom wick. If this candle fully engulfs this, we could have a nicer entry. We could have a direction of where we're going to go next. Let's see around. Wait, let me make you a mod. Yeah. Wait and see what happens because price is now very shit. There's no reason to enter anything. Remember, this is the 9:30 open and price has just moved this much. It's moved how much? How many pips? The push and the pull was about 13 pips. Do you think that this is 9:30? Even though we don't have news, we don't have anything. We don't have anything for today. These are not that, and also good for the markets, but should not affect as much. Industrial production. We have to wait for tomorrow meeting minutes and unemployment claims. I expect this to be decent. For the past few weeks, we have been showing good signs. So DXY and DXY is lingering around. Yeah, this is really good for buys. This candle fully engulfed this. The 5 minute close bearish with no bottom wick, and it's now canceling this whole move out. And if you get any sort of entry, something like this would be really nice. And yeah, whatever you want, you think. Break even zone around this area. Wait for a closure above. Once we have a closure above, we could get a retest of this zone, and then it will be really good. I mean, we just closed at 904. Wait for a stronger closure. I personally haven't had an entry around this areas, not this. I think around this area. So wait out. Wait for the clear cut signs. Like the stream, chat. Why are only 60 of you? Tell the other man them to join. Around 8 pips up, but if you got in the break. Right now, as soon as this candle closes, you could get a retest, but if this pushes, well, shit. Wait for buys above this zone. And what's going on with DXY? It's pushing further down, as you can see, rejected this area, so we can go down to 103. And if we close below, do not sell gold. Do not sell gold. GJ rejected the 185 level, 800, 185, 800, but it's still bullish. It's still just doing a retest. This is still good. Once we have a closure above this zone, we will be really nice for buys. Yeah, this is gone. I mean, it's still, you could still get a retest. If you get something like this as for now, come like this and push, that will be still good for your entries. As long as we don't have a closure below this area. We should not have any closure below this zone. If we do, we're coming down further. If anyone has any questions, please let me know. Yeah, you can see daily did not close below this area. Look what happened previously whenever we closed at this zone. We had a retest of around this area. Here we rejected. This is all in a bullish market. Bullish market. So you can understand what price is gonna do next. Yeah, this is if you did anyone catch this? Did anyone catch the spies? But this was as I said, this is a risky buy. Anyone caught this something like this? Should be up. Break even zones around this. You should be up by how many pips right now? 18 pips, so more than a 1-to-1. Oh, Casino FX, nice. I got in 1901. Nice, nice, nice. I personally wanted this area, but this was too quick for me. It just straight away dipped down and started pushing. I got around here. We could come down on this candle around here because this 5 minute just opened up and the previous one is quite strong. So we could do a 40%, 50% correction of this to this area, and then once we flip, we can go for buys again, and this would be a clear-cut confirmation of where price is gonna go next. We could easily tap 1910 today, as long as we don't go below 1900. We're gonna go to 1910s and 12s. Let's see what the prime markets are telling us. There's nothing. Latest news. Oh, I should have to sign in. I'm not signed in this account. This is still good. Two small bearish candles. We can still push up. If you're in, you're good. This 5 minutes flipping. But careful. This is at an area of rejection. We could linger around for a long time. Yeah, Uppy, I'm trading on the 5 minute and the 1 minute. This personally, you couldn't have caught this on the 5 minute unless you just entered for no reason around here. But as I kept mentioning, once we break this area, we're gonna go further up. This is still okay for buys. Watch what happens. If we close around this area, I would personally go break even. As I see price going further up, but this the way this looks right now, just a bit more careful. We need this to close. We need this to close above this zone, or just reject here. That's it. Yeah, we're gonna have a lot of more positions. We're gonna have a lot of more positions. Don't worry. We're gonna have buys above 1906. Let's see what GJ is doing. Yeah, GJ is looking good for buys. As long as we don't create a double top, it will be really good. Once we close above 19, what 19? 185.8. Good buys, good buys. We're gonna have something. Actually, let's see 4 hour chart. This is really that like you have to go way back. Oh my god, you can't even. Let's see. The last time we closed above this area, we went to minimum 18. We went 186. Yeah, we went to 186, and you can have hold it further to 186.8. Yeah, it would be really nice on GJ. Plus the news was bullish, giving us clear-cut bullish signs. More basically the ECB, not the ECB, the BOE won't be decreasing rates for a longer time, as the CPI was higher than expected. Here, you can see 6.8. They're expecting 6.7, and this was way higher than previous, that they expected, obviously. Lower, sorry. And they said they're not thinking of uh, anything to reduce rates. So this is just a clear-cut sign of where price on GJ is going to go. Yeah, we're just having a pullback. Just wait for closures above. Gold is still fine. The bearish candles are so weak. Well, let's see what happens next. What's with the lines? These are just my institutional lines. I have these lines for for a long time. I don't know. I don't close. I don't delete them. I just keep them. So yeah, I just don't delete lines. Yeah, if you're break even, once this closes, see how this closes, and if it closes really strong, just close your trade out. You should get at least like 5-6 pips. And if not, if this closes, just like canceling a bit of this, you put your SL amount here in profit. Green for sure. Some 8 ball, like the pool. Yeah, I like that. SL should be around this area. You will get minimum at least 10 pips. Oh, never mind, 8 pips. Go break even. Okay. Let's see, DJ. Cancel this out. Close no bottom wick. Good thing is if we close even above here, we can have just push up, but this is a lot, so many bullish candles back to back. We need some sort of retest. I like little lines. You like a lot of lines, bro. You don't like little. You like a lot of lines. Leave Don, man. He's sleeping. This 15 opened. 15 opened really strong. We closed above this area. Candle coming down. Hopefully we just do a retest of this area and start pushing up. 15-minute on GJ close above this area. Still really look good for buys. Looking good. Just just a closure above. I'm pretty sure I might get in. Um, as long as we don't close no top wick or something like this, just push down straight away. I hope that doesn't happen. But until then, one closure above and I'll be in this. This is looking good. Nice rejection. 15 opened up and it's just pushed down. No top wick. Really good. 30-minute still bullish. We went to this area. Let's see what happens next. Still okay. This is still fine. We just had a really massive push. as I said, we don't, as long as we don't close below here, buys are still valid. For buys are still valid above 1904. Waiting, yeah, yeah. For the past few weeks, the 10 a.m. candle is quite strong, quite strong. Every single time we had 10 a.m., some sort of push happened. Yeah, this is nice rejection. The retest is happening. Let's see how it closes. 10 a.m. candle has been good for the past few weeks. GJ is looking really good. I missed my entries here as after CPI came out. I wanted, once I saw this lingered around, I saw this come down. I just didn't see it. I missed this. I would have gotten in this 100%. Sadly, I didn't watch. Oh, nice. We're pushing up. SL should not be. If we close, let's see how we close. Let's see on the 5. SL should be around this areas maximum, something like this. Yeah, 15, 16 pips for buys above, something like this. And break even point should be at 186. But price action would be better to see what it does. Then quite strong, quite strong. Nice. This close not open good. Still, we could still push. Yeah, we still could push. Did anyone jump in the retest? Did anyone jump in the retest? This candle fully engulfed this previous one, which is really, really good. The 15-minute just flipped. It's now going to break its highs. As long as we break this, we're good. Well, this is not nice. Nice, nice. Where'd you get in? 1905, still holding. Okay, not bad. Not bad, not bad. So I guess gold, buy or sell. Bro, go back. I explained like 7 times. I literally have on the chart saying risky buys and safer buys, and you're asking for sells. You good? GJ is looking still good. Yeah, once we have this closure, it will be really nice. Let's see what happens. Nice, we had the closure above. It's really good. This is a quite strong candle. 5 minutes is pushing above. Once we break this, we're just gonna push further. Hopefully. As long as we don't cancel this out, we're good for buys, keeping the buys. Nice. Whoever is in should have gotten either around here with somewhere around here after the retest. SL somewhere like that, about 10, 12 pips. Or this entry. This was the entry that I personally wanted. Something like this. This is really good. Break even zones. If this candle closes bearish, just go fully break even or close out the position, because then it would just be lingering around this area. Still good. We closed above. We closed above this area. You can still hold it. See how this next candle closes on the 1 minute, and the 5 minute just opened up, canceling this whole move. We could have a retest until around here, and then push further. But I personally don't want price to go further than this 18995.2. Hey, Nav, come on. Navi, Nav. I'm giving everyone mod access. I swear. Nav mod, mana mod for sure. Only 85 watching. What's this? Oh shit, K, come on. You're all here. See, boys, if you're in, you'll be up by a decent margin. Tell me something like this: 10 pip SL, 12 pip SL, still 14 pips up, and we're gonna go further up. I know most of you close at 10, but if you want, you can just go break even and keep this running. Nice. Got that retest. Come on. Yes, I do stream London every day. I started since Monday. Man, look. Hi, Dave Jones. Once we hit 1907, watch what price is gonna do next, because this area is quite strong, like really, really strong. I personally expect price to go to 1910s today. It will be quite slow. We don't have any economic activities for today. Nothing, like it's just budget. And GJ is really nice. So if did anyone get in? Anyone get in GJ? I don't like this anymore. If you're in, break even. If not, close the trade up. Come on, Jesus, nice, nice, nice. Pull up in London sessions too if you guys want. Yeah, GJ is good, is decent still. Yes, this 5 minute closed above. Even if it's yeah, yeah, 5 minute closed above. See how the next 5 minute closes. I don't ex This is so many bullish candles. I expect some sort of retest somewhere to like minimum here. Like price does something like this, maybe. If but GJ usually when it finds momentum it just pushes. Oh yeah, something like this. I expect something like this. But for now, wait for this. Wait, if this 5 minute closes really strong, keep it. We have 2 more minutes. It's just getting a lot weaker. The 5 minute candles, the 1 minute candles are getting a lot weaker. The bullish move. Yeah, we could get an entry above 1907, which would be much safer. If the hourly hopefully closes above this zone, we can get another entry at 1904. Yeah, this canceled most of the bearish move. And yeah, if we close above 1907, that will be perfect. Until then, nothing. This is still going. Let me see what US30 is doing. Oh shit, I forgot about US30. So US30 had a reaction at 3500. This is a really strong demand zone. As you can see, price has just been moving up and down. As long as we don't close between 3500 and like 35 150, we could still have price rejections to come down. Once we have a closure above below 3500, we could retest this lows. But the stock market's been very greedy. We're at like 5% plus interest rates, and look, we're still pushing. It just doesn't make sense. People are very greedy. But yeah, the stock market's quite greedy nowadays, and they just want to pump the markets. And yeah, we rejected these areas. If you got in, yeah, you could have made money in both directions, but this is quite still shit. Yeah, yeah, that's nice, nice. I personally don't like this way. The way this 5 minute just closed. The wick is a bit high. Let's see how this. If this candle fully engulfs this, close the trade out for people who are in. If not, just keep it. Don't have entries now because it's the middle of the range. Yeah, it's just like 3 4 pips above, but still, this is you can see it's not that nice. If you're in, just keep it or like have a 10 pip SO or very small risk. And gold's doing the retest again. This 5 minute close, no bottom wick, like minimal bottom wick. Look, this came down, no top wick. I didn't say engulf, like fully cancel this candle out. Like this fully engulf this candle, previous candle. This is this candle is bullish, this candle is bearish. This this whole candle canceled this one move, even though it moved till here. It cancelled it out. So this means price is rejecting a zone. It doesn't want to push further. I mean, to be fair, we have been having nice corrections going up. We went down to around here. We went up, retested. Now we pushed to this area. You can see. And now we're doing a retest of this one. We hopefully get something like this next. We get this, will be quite good. To be fair, I didn't expect much from today's session. We don't have much volume. Tomorrow will be quite okay since we have unemployment claims, but that's about it. And next week we have flash PMI. Next week's gonna be really nice. Oh, revised unemployment claims, flash PMI. Yeah, this is really good. Next week is gonna be nice, and the week after, yeah, these are all. Oh, nice. Is the week after that will be even better. For now, yeah, you see. If you're in, if we close below this, I mean, it's hourly is about to close. Close the trade out, wait for another positions after the hourly closes. Yeah, we retest, we're rejecting these areas again. Nice. This candle fully engulfs this. As long as we don't close below, we're good. In 4 hours, FOMC meeting minutes. Yeah, but meeting minutes don't have, like, as long as they don't come and say we're gonna increase rates by 1,000%, it's not gonna do much. So it's not that important. Yeah. For the past few months, let me see if I can get. So the federal fund rate for the past few months, as you can see, it's been known what they're gonna do next. And not only that, the statement, Powell, let me find the statement here. Latest release, right? So you can see this is the statement, right? The statements are like clear-cut copies of the previous ones. Let's see why it's not loading. They're just copy pastes of the previous ones. Like it's the same thing. Russia war against Ukraine, tremendous human, blah blah blah. 4.5%. We're deciding raise rate to range above. This is the February fund rate. The committee anticipate ongoing increase in target rate with appropriate interest monetary policy sufficiently restrictive to return to 2% inflation. Same thing here. It's literally a copy paste, like you can see. So the meeting minutes don't do the same thing as it used to. Them not the meeting minutes. The federal fund rate and the speech don't do much. So do you think meeting minutes are going to do anything? This is just in terms of fundamentals. We have more impact nowadays coming from the other news than the Federal Reserve. During 2021 and 2022, the Federal Reserves used to move the market a lot. Nowadays, not as much. Because look, they're just copy pasting the previous statements. Why would price move based on what they're expecting? Everyone already knows what they're expecting. They want 2% inflation. They're gonna keep rates higher for a longer period. That's about it. I'm gonna hand you the trade. Yeah, once this 1 hour closes above here, I'll be good. Yeah, you can see this massive rejection. So buys above this zone. If the stream ends or anything happens, buys above this zone. Watch out what happens above 1907. And you can get an entry above this area. As long as we don't close below, we're good. Yep, nice, nice, nice. The 1 hour closed above. Yeah, 1 hour closed above. This was the 4 hour on I'm using Forex.com. 30-minute bullish. Yes, it has a top. It has a massive wick. So entries at 1904 would be right now not valid. Wait for better price points above 1907. We still could do something like this, but for now, look, it's so rangy around these areas. Wait for buys above this zone. Until then, nothing. If I see something on the 5 minute and the 1 minute, I'll let you guys know. How is it possible? Oh, GJ, yeah, GJ did that rejection. Wait, yeah. So GJ, yeah, closed above. It's still okay for buys. Wait for that retest. Wait for a retest to at least a 50% correction, as I expected something like this earlier. Something like this. Since the hourly close is quite different, but we could do this or get that previous entry which I mentioned here was somewhere like this, here like this, and push up. But for now, wait. For now, wait for price to tell you what it's going to do next. So many bullish candles. So many bullish candles on the 5 minute. We need some sort of rejection, at least a 50% correction to like here. Maybe this would be ideal. And then once we close above here, good. If this rejects straight away and closes above, still not bad. Just being more risky. Yeah. This is okay. This candle closed no bottom wick. This candle the same thing. Let's see what happens. If we get a good, decent double bottom around here, we could have a risky entry, but still. Shaida, I'm not sure. I'm still not sure. On GJ, it's still showing me signs of some having some sort of pullback. And personally, I would have had my SL around here. I wouldn't have been out, but it would have been around here. Let's see what price does here on this next candle, and then decide what you're gonna do next. Yeah, this is chalked. Wait for closures above this zone. Again, have re-entries. I mean, your SL should not have been more than like 10 pips, 12 pips. Yeah, 10 pips was here. So yeah, you should not have been hit stop. So even if you close now, it will be what, 5 pips. It's not a big loss. It's nothing. Yeah, this is rejecting. If we close above, we could still push, but wait for safer buys above 185, 800. Ah, yeah, nice, nice, nice. This is good. Gold's acting rangy. Gold's been acting rangy. There's no economic activity, no nothing. Uh, Candles fully engulf each other. We may go to 1902, retest and push further. And for sells, as we spoke earlier, let me mark it out. Yeah. Yeah, GJ rejected this area. If you're in, close the trade out, wait for buys again. Yeah, should either wait for buys, but wait for better price points. Hopefully we get that 50% correction. Yeah, we retest, reject here, and then once we flip, because this has no top wick, this candle closed really strong. The 1 hour also strong. The previous 4 hour fully cancelled out basically, and we broke the highs. The daily is bullish, news is bullish, and sells won't make sense. And we already did multiple retests of this zone. Yeah, this is really good. Yeah, Juju is looking good. Once we close above, re-entries would be nice. SL should not be for the next entry. SL should not be around. It should be like this. Something like this. 10 pips, 10, 12 pips. Count for your spreads also. So if you enter here, you can't. Yeah, wait for the closure. Yeah, nice. 30-minute just flipped. 5 minute is canceling this whole trade out. 15 is just flipping. This is good. This is really good. We retested this lows. That's 50% correction. And gold is still chalked. Nice. Oh shit, GJ, come on. Pushing. GJ is pushing hard. Nice. Oh damn. This could have been a nice entry, but it was just too fast. This is also looking good. Oh, he sent me some links for music. Check the charts for streaming. I don't. I'm scared. After what I saw yesterday, I'm scared. And plus, I'm not sharing my full screen. Now let me just add some music. Find something. Something. I don't want to sleep. Nice, nice. This is okay. There's 5 minutes and does it should not close below. It shouldn't. Then buys would be chalked for the rest of the session. Manchester YouTube. Nice, nice. The XY is doing the retest. Bro, I don't care. I don't time out anyone. I just make fun of you. Yeah, look at the look at the VIX. Look at the way it's going. And we might have a push up, but I don't think so. We have been rejecting these areas for a long time. We had that retest. As you can see, price came up, down, up, down, up, down, down, and we just went up, and now we broke all of them, and we did this retest now. We retested this area. We retested this area. Right now, I see this pushing further down. As long as if we close below 103, it will be good for gold for buys. For now, it's still bearish. Let's see. Oh damn. Oh, 5 minutes. Lingering around. Wait for buys above 1907. Nice, GJ is pushing. This is a nice entry. Did anyone catch this entry? Did anyone catch this retest? We didn't close above. This candle rejected. Your entry should have been something like this. Yeah, probably something like this. nice, nice. Now, if we have any closures below 185,800, close this trade out. That's it. And gold is shit. Nothing here, nothing here. This is looking good. I mean, it's about 10 pips up, but not much. Gold is very bad. Wait for 1907. GJ is, yeah, more than 10 pips running. Yeah, I just signed in global markets. Use this Koifen app to have a decent, what's this thing called? Profile colors and themes, black, right? Yeah, use this to get a understanding for the news. You can see where the news comes. It has news for the latest ones, and the top is global markets, and you can add more world economies, United States, and you can see what's in their country most relevant. You can get an understanding what price is doing and gonna do next. Here. Yeah, I'm gonna give Paul. Let me make him a mod. Here you go. Paul, you're a mod now. But yo, gold GJ is nice. Price should not come below this area. If you're in, this should have been something. Yeah, your entry should be like this. This would have been a nice entry, something like this. And B zone will be here. B zone, or you could just close out. I don't know however you guys want. This is really good. Yeah. 5 minute closed above, 5 minutes quite strong, 15 minutes is also strong, we're rejecting, 30 minutes strong. 2 trades today also, come on boys. I hope you guys caught something at least. At least someone's caught something, I hope so. Yes, drop a like please, subscribe. I hope to stream every day, I really want to stream every day. Stops in the chat. I hope you guys caught something. This trade is running, still floating, 10 pips and above. We caught a trade around here, so this went for like 10-15 pips too. Yeah, around 15 pips. You guys caught something. I'm waiting for buys above this. I really expected this to go push further. We caught something, yeah, we caught here, and some people caught the retest, which is also good. Nice. See, 15 pips, 10 pips, I'm just giving it, it's for free, just take it. I just searched XYNVF. It's just called instrumental, no copyright music. That's about it. Yo, mod. Oh yeah, Mango. What? How are you not a mod? How are you not a mod, Mango? This is not the real Mango, is it? I think I made a mod. No? What? Oh, it's not the. Oh shit. It's a real Mango. Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna give you a mod. It's a fake Mango, right? Is it? This is my second time here. Yeah, this is not the real Mango. Yeah, DJ is running nicely. To be fair, you can just go break even now. Yeah, realistically, price is just acting up. 15 opens up. You can actually go break even. You can go break even. Yeah, gold is exhausted. Gold has been shit because there's no economic activity. There's nothing that's moving the markets. I personally was going to take an entry and buy here, basing it on the fact that we rejected so many times. We have fear in the market, and DXY was at a strong rejection zones. This is running nicely, and you can see DXY was rejected here, and now we did that retest which we were talking about, and now it's coming pushing further down. As long as we close above this area, we can come further down. If not, wait, watch gold out for sales. Not specifically, it really doesn't matter. It's not always one-to-one correlation, but it gives you a nice indication. Here's gold. Guys, follow my Twitter and add me in like join the DVS group I added in the link. If you have any questions, send it in the chat. I hope to answer. Alright, Yeah, this is you should be break even hopefully. Let me see if I can post a picture in here. Nice. Alright, can you guys see this? Since we're talking about unemployment claims tomorrow, read this out. So hopefully you can get some understanding. Can you see it? Market's not doing much. So watch this out and read this through. We have unemployment claims tomorrow. So read this. How can you not see it as clear as I possibly can be? It's so zoomed in. Increase the quality. I'm streaming on 1080p, so maybe you're on 720 or something. Increase your quality. I can read it perfectly. Can't read that much, bruh. These are like 10 plus. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Screenshot this. This is my fundamentals notebook. I'm just posting it here, so you guys have a clue of what we're doing for tomorrow. We have unemployment claims tomorrow. This is just a read-through of some ways employability and labor forces affect the economy. I don't want to explain because it's already here. Like, why should I explain this? Like, you can see it. I don't know what else is there. If you guys like want, I can do this like one of this every single day, so we can finish almost everything I have. Let me show you the amount of stuff I have. Let me send you a picture. You can do, and each one has something. Each one's like it's about 50 something pages. Look, you can see this is my list. This is all the stuff I have. I can do one by one every day. Read this. Hopefully you can learn something. This is fundamentals. Yeah, drop us here and drop it on Discord. Everyone join the Discord. It's on it's in the link below. Join the Discord. Join the Discord. You can see when I'm online, when Don's online, we can all see it. Just join the Discord, take a screenshot because I'm just gonna delete it, yeah? Let's see what's GJ doing. Yeah, GJ is still running. GJ is still running about 15 pips right now. 15 plus pips. So if you guys are in, send some W's in the chat. My kind of party. Hey yo, what? Yeah, GJ. I mean, see, look, Thanks, man, David. Nice. Yeah, you couldn't catch. It's okay. We will still have entries above this area, but I personally won't enter anything after 11 on GJ. I usually enter on gold after 11, maybe if we have something, but until nothing. GJ is still running almost 20 pips. It's running at 15 plus pips, break even. Once we hit this level, expect some sort of rejection, yeah? Because this is a really strong zone on the daily and stuff. Stopped out on break even on GJ. How? Where was your stop loss? Where was your entry? Waiting for news. I like news. I function on news. Yeah, this is quite shit. Nothing to trade on gold for now. Nothing to trade on gold. This is the news. We haven't had nothing yet. 9:52. Reuters, Factbox, nothing. Nothing. Global markets, let's see. Absolutely nothing. World economy, absolutely nothing. 947, weekly mortgage applications falls, rates continue to raise. Of course, duh. I mean, it's 5.5% just federal fund rates. The mortgage rates are like over 7%. Who's stupid enough to buy a house now? Duh. What the fuck is this? Stupid people. Yeah. This logical. Capitalism, this is fine. Industrial production rise 1%. Not bad, this is good. Yeah, this is what we had earlier, but this doesn't do much. Safe buys above here, safe sells here. Nothing else. Only toes account. Nice. Put circle on it. He likes it. Don't crusty stuff. Thank you, Afi. I'm trying to like I will see. Let me add more stuff for. Let me add some more stuff for employment stuff. Let me see, where is it? Employability. I added two. What are the factors? I'm gonna show now what are the factors that are affecting it. These stuff took me months to write, like months and months of writing, and obviously I used the internet copy paste for sure. Here, read this. Hopefully you can read this, screenshot this, so you can guys have an understanding of what these do. This is after it's each part that it's employability, and there's multiple parts to it. Bro, you can get unemployment claims. Tomorrow you're one of the people that claimed. That's where my taxes are going. Give me back some money, hey. Siran, screenshot this and send it to the stream. Send it to the Discord. Guys, join the Discord. Sub to the channel, man. Yeah, guys, why are you not subbing? Just 88 subs. What's this? Like the stream and sub. Guys, take the screenshot, read this through later or whatever. And the previous, you can go back and you can see the previous one. DJ, as I expected, doing some sort of pullback around here. You could have taken out your position at 20 pips, but yeah, it's still running for most people. If it's running, keep it. If we close above, keep it. If we don't, you can keep your stop loss to around here minimum, and so you can like guarantee some sort of profits. This was some entry like this, yeah, something like this. It's still running. Now you can move your stops to around here. To around here. So around 12, 13 pips. And it's still running. Right now 20 pips hit. And gold's quite shit, as usual. There's nothing for today. Come on. Oh, the music is nice. I'm gonna link it. I'm gonna obviously send the link right now. Here. This is the full latest. Here's the link. See you later, bro. If there's nothing by 10:45, I'm dipping. There's no point in being charged. Yeah, this is rejected. If you close out your positions here, it would be good. You're gonna catch like 16, 15, 16 pips. Close the positions out, wait for entries above this zone, or keep it, but at least keep your stops to around here. You know, keep your stops to like around here. Yeah, something like this, and then you can let it run. Yeah, this wouldn't be bad. You know, you can keep this running, and you can have nice trade for it to last. If you want, you can just close this one. Sure. See ya, mana. Bye bye. For the squad, yep. Oh, nice. GJ still pushing. If you're in, put your stop loss here, or just close it out. You'll have 20 pips, 10, 15 pips here. That's like 30, 40 pips already. 35 pips already, man. I don't know what else you want. If you risk 2%, I already took the trade, Latifa. I took gold from around here. So there's gold rejected here. Later, boys. Looks like we have nothing on gold. Just stay out. There's nothing, absolutely nothing on gold. Yeah, I'm not gonna take anything on gold for now. Yeah, this is also rejecting. Alright, guys. See you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna go too. Alright, see you guys. Bye bye. If someone told me earlier, I would have 100% streamed earlier. See you, boys. Bye bye. Dubs. Put some dubs in the chat and like the stream. Sub. So we can always look. Bye bye.